You know, the amount of times you put the concrete post in the hole and it's about an inch too low or slightly too high and you're heaving it out, or, you know, kicking some muck back down the hole or whatever.
Concrete posts are typically 40 kilograms and therefore not easy to manoeuvre. A DuraPost steel post is actually 80% lighter. That means that carrying to the line is faster and easier. With a concrete post, once you put it in the hole, if it's not quite right, you have to take the post out and adjust it. And that's a bit of a nightmare.
Nothing's ever fixed. They're difficult to adjust. I don't know why people are still using them, I really don't.
With DuraPost, you just shift it over or lift it out with ease. Quite simply, it's easier to fit.
They're a lot easier and a lot quicker to sort of adjust than say a concrete post, for example.
For the last sort of 18 months, 2 years, we've been putting in DuraPost in the ground. So I just tried to I almost refuse to put anything else in.
That's why we recommend DuraPost every time. It looks great, it's cost effective, it's easy to install, and it's guaranteed for 25 years.